The Modern is a project that came to us with this client who wanted to have special pieces created and quite unique items in his home. The process of creating these pieces, it was one of the most important steps in all decisions. The reason for that is because most of the furnishings came from France, Italy, so it was crucial to make sure all those items, they communicate with each other. Every piece in this project is really unique and special, but in particularly, the Duke was one of my favorite pieces, and as well as the client.